Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to convert your photos into clean, high-quality PDFs using CamScanner. Whether you're on your phone or computer, we'll walk through how to sign up, scan, enhance, and share your PDFs with ease. Let's get started. First things first, let's sign up for CamScanner. You can use the mobile app or go directly to the website at camscanner.com. On the app, open it up and tap on Sign Up at the bottom of the screen. If you're on the website, click the Sign Up button in the top right corner. You can register using your email, phone number, or social media accounts like Google or Facebook. Once you've signed up and confirmed your email or phone number, you'll have full access to all the features. CamScanner also offers a premium version with extra features, but the free version is powerful enough for most users. After signing up, you'll land on the home screen of the app or website. Here, you can start scanning and converting your documents. If you're using the mobile app, tap on the camera icon at the bottom of the screen. If you're using the website, look for the option to upload an image right on the home page. Just drag and drop your file or click to upload. Now that we've captured or uploaded the image, CamScanner will optimize the quality for you. It automatically enhances the brightness, contrast, and sharpness, so your document looks professional. You can also choose from several filters to make text clearer or images pop. Once you're happy with the result, hit Next. With your PDF created, it's time to save and share it. On mobile, you can save it directly to your device or upload it to cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. On the website, you have similar options. Download the PDF to your computer or share it via email or cloud storage. CamScanner also makes it easy to share directly through messaging apps like WhatsApp or via shareable link. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've signed up, scanned, and converted your photos into professional PDFs using CamScanner. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.